And also going to the second half, kanina doon kayo nakalaro. What are some of the things that work, the adjustments?
First of all, thanks again that I was able to have another opportunity to coach the team, and I would like to thank those people who helped me for saving my life. Because before the start of the season, I did the conference, I didn't know that I have something wrong with myself, but I'm so thankful. There's so many people trying to help me. And here, I'm back again to coach the team. I'm so happy to be back and give us another win. And I think this is my first time since May 15. And at the start, I'm really nervous because I'm just trying to feel the rhythm of the game. And I'm so happy because even though I'm not coaching in the past 6 games, I'm always in the practice. I'm trying my best to be with the team, to inspire them. But they want me to coach, so I'm here. I'm thankful dahil I think baka 99% na ako. But I still have to recuperate because as possible, I want to get back to where I am belong. And the reason for this win, I think we're able to balance the scoring. And if you imagine bench points namin 63, and that's what I'm looking for the team. And at the same time, we're able to limit the passive points of our opponent, which I think converts very good in pass break and all. And then another thing is turnover. Turnover very limited, and we have a lot of assists. And you can see naman Junmar, he don't want to score, but he has a lot of rebounds and assists, 10 assists and 21 rebounds, and that's the sign of a good player. He's not thinking of himself, he's thinking of his teammate. And George is playing really well because I know he has the rhythm, and we keep on communicating regarding this game and how I coach the team. But at the end of the day, we respect each other. Thank you, George.